There is my dirty, dirty car with her new tag on the front. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then across the street, they are building us a Starbucks. So today is we're 3 days away from the cruise, guys. 3 days. And I have come to the nail place to get my nails done. There is a long line because there's only one lady in there. So I'm actually going to go right down the strip down here to get some lunch. Not Ruby Tuesdays, but Firehouse Subs. And I'm already on the list, so I won't be knocked out of line, she said, hopefully, because there's like 4 ladies in front of me. Good grief. So we're going to go get some lunch. And I'll probably grab my hubby something to take home. Yeah, we're getting a Starbucks. Let's go get some lunch. Let's go down here to Firehouse and see what we can find. Alright, guys. Here is our lunch. Oh my god. I love Firehouse. Let's tear into it. Hey guys, let me turn the AC down. So today has not been what I thought. I got to the nail place pretty early, but like I said, there was only one girl working and there was already several people in front of me. So I waited there for a while. Went and got some lunch. I was still in line, came back. She was still working on the same freaking girl. She was working on when I left to go get lunch, and so the same people were still in front of me. So I just left. I went and paid my water bill, and I was talking to the ladies in there, and one of them recommended a salon that was pretty close by. So I actually drove by there, got the phone number, called them. I have an appointment for 2 o'clock. It is now like 1:15, so I just have a little bit of time to kill before my appointment. And while I was killing time, I ran into Dollar General. I also ran into Food Line. I got a bottle of wine to take on the cruise. I have been seeing, people saying that Dollar General had a new makeup line. I've not really watched any reviews on it, so I don't know anything about it other than they have a new makeup line. And it is called Believe Beauty. So I got a couple things. Almost can do a whole face. I'll show you what I got. So this is a car unboxing or a car haul. I've never done one of those. So this is a eyeshadow palette with 6 pans. They didn't have many to choose from actually because they were sold out. This is in plush purples. There we go. You guys know I love purple. So really nice neutrals and a pop of purple. So I mean, I can deal with that. 3 matte-ish shades. They look like they might be more on the satin side, and then 3 shimmer really satin shades. So these 3 are more on the matte, these 3 are more satiny. They don't look like a matte, but we'll see once we get them on there. I also got a tinted moisturizer skin finish, and this is in the shade, it was one of the really light ones, neutral beige, and you guys know I prefer a tinted moisturizer, so I grabbed one of those. And FYI, this range goes from $3.50 to $5. There's nothing over $5, so it's a very affordable line. If this works really good, I mean, if it works decently for $5, I mean, it's worth $5. So there's a tinted moisturizer. Then I got a blush, and this one is a little more on the pinky, and I have to take my glasses down so I can read. This is in the shade Wink. Oh, look how pretty. So that is in the shade Wink. And then I got an eyeliner, and it was in the shade Mystic. It's kind of a purpley brown to go with that palette. My hubby is sending me stuff on Instagram and notifications are popping up. He is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got an eyeliner in Wink, and oh wow, that just, now some of them are really dry and you just got to kind of get them. No, children, that went on great, and it rolls up, and that was only $3.50. So I think that was only $3.50. No, okay, it was $4.75 for the eyeliner. Something in here was $3.50. The lipstick, I think it was on sale. All right, so I did get one lipstick, and it is sealed. something else I like about these, they are sealed. This is the Satin Crush lipstick in Vintage Rose, and let's see if I can break the seal and not tear my cap up here. Oh, it has the magnetic security strip on there too. That one's probably going to look... I like stickers that peel off smoothly and don't leave all the sticky mess on the outside like this is getting ready to do. Because then you have all the sticky stuff on the back of your lipstick. How pretty. And hey guys, look. It's a $5 lipstick. Oh, pardon me, $3.50 lipstick. There's no hairs and there's no bubbles. And it's $3.50. Now I do have on a little bit of lip gloss, so that can't like tell me like the true creaminess of it till I put it on with nothing. So not bad. And then of course I got 2 lip glosses. Like, you know, I love lip gloss. And again, they have these sticky security stickers on them. Those peeled off. So the first one is Ethereal. Yes, Ethereal. Now guys, I kind of wanted to compare this to my Diamond Juice from Jeffree Star. That's really cool because it's never been used, so you can see the lip gloss kind of gathering at that stopper. That's really cool. And let's see, I can't get the doe foot out. So it's a little skinny doe foot. It's peach with a lot of glitter. It feels like it might be a little sticky just from the swatch. I don't know. There's that one. You know what, guys? I always keep napkins in my door. Oh, that color went on really good. It's just hard to see. It's really in there. Doesn't have any flavor, doesn't have any smell. It is a little sticky, but nothing. I'm not getting those goopy lines. Nothing I can't I mean, you know, it's I can stand it. Okay. And then the other lip gloss shade I got is Uptown Girl, and it is just a really pretty berry kind of mauve color. And there it goes again. Bloop. That's awesome. It's nice to see they've not been like open and swatched. They're sealed. Actually not a bad feeling lip gloss. I mean, it's not, like I said, it's a little sticky, but not something I couldn't tolerate. I am going to take the lipstick and put down in my purse because these are going to be sitting in my car for a little bit while I get my pedicure. And so I got to get that sticky off there. That's going to drive me crazy. So yeah. Alright guys, that is it. I will keep you updated on what the next move is, because guys, we're getting ready for this cruise and I really wanted my toes done and pretty before we went. So yeah, next stop will be pedicure. Got the toes in the water and the massage going. We are at Mary's Nails in Lenore. I've never been in here, so. Wow. Oh my gosh, yes, that massager. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, pedi is finally done and I'm in front of Mary's Nails, and guys, they did such a good job. If you live in Lenoir area, Caldwell area, they did such a good job. I got the just the most the simple, I forget exactly what it's called, but it's the $25 pedicure, and I got like a leg massage, the foot massage, a sugar scrub. Oh my god, it was fantastic. So now I think I'm just going to head home and get the rest of my day done. We'll see how it goes. Oh, there's a puppy on the porch. But yep, time to get it home. Alright guys, ignore the aftermath in this bedroom because we've been going through clothes, washing clothes, all kinds of stuff. Over here is the dress I am wearing for formal night with the pearls at the bottom. Really pretty. That's work clothes over there. It need to be put away. This is packing. And I'm doing everything handheld, so excuse me if it's kind of shaky. And actually, I need to take my glasses off so I can see what the heck I'm doing. These are clothes, and yes, there's undies and everything in there. Sorry. And it says there's a call coming in, and I'm going to decline it because I don't know that number, and if it did know, I'm not going to call them back. But there is undies, bathing suits. This is sleepwear / loungewear, shorts. This is a dress. There's really flowy little jackets under there. There is, I found these really nice shorts at Walmart the other day. And these are, since they're messy, I do get the extra large because they're messy. They're not plus. If they were, some things I can take at extra large. But I didn't want to wear anything skin tight. I wanted to be comfortable. And I tried these on and they were great. And it's that athletic stuff, and they do have mesh pockets. These will be great to throw over a wet bathing suit because they're really thin and they're going to dry really fast. They have pockets. They have another little pocket down here. Drawstring, nice big elastic band. I got 2 pair of these. Where's the other pair? Shannon, you've done lost your other pair. I have another pair of these. They might still be in the bag because I have a bag right here. Here is a strapless bra that's going with me. And this is all Walmart, by the way. Found these really cute little leggings. Again, these are juniors, I do believe. So I did get an extra large because they're juniors. Look how cute. I may wear these down when we go to the cruise, so I'm going to leave those out. I also got a white shirt. It's in the laundry to be washed because it has the stickers, you know, like the stickers on the front of the shirt, and that just, it's got to be washed. Here's the other pair. So here's the army green pair, exactly the same thing. Guys, these were only $5. $5 a pair of shorts. So I got a white shirt to wear with the leggings. The white shirt, I think, was $6. The leggings were $3.99. Yes, $3.97. And 2 pairs of shorts. So for under 20 bucks, I got a shirt and two pairs of shorts and a pair of leggings for under 20 bucks. My hubby just came in. I'm filming. I'm filming. This bag here has ponchos, weatherproof backpack, sunscreen, pool clips, snorkel stuff, and I did get a snorkel mask to take, and there's goggles down in there. This bag is one we're going to carry on. I've showed you this bag before. This bag has 2 of my hats, my makeup, my jewelry pouch, laundry bag. This will have my makeup brushes in it. Medicine bag. Down there's the jewelry roll. And whatever else I can cram into this bag. So far that is my packing. I have a few more things to get in here, plus the shoes and everything that I'm going to grab like the morning of, like phone charger, camera, that kind of stuff. We got a tie pin to take with us. I'll take it out of this container. We have the waterproof phone thingies, and that's not in there yet. Got this bag here, which has, I'll go ahead and pack this. This is a travel alarm clock. Well, it's not a travel alarm clock, but it's small enough with an alarm. And it was like $4. And it runs off batteries, and I can put several batteries that'll be going with us. Another small pack of makeup wipes that'll be going with us. And I found this Garnier Skin Active BB Cream 5-in-1 Miracle Skin Perfector, but it has an SPF of 20. So that's going to be going in the makeup bag. Like everything that's in this Walmart bag. So yeah, we're still, or I am still packing. The hubby's not even started yet. So let's get this going. Alright guys, so that is pretty much me packed, all but some shoes and the last minute things I'm going to grab, which is like, you know, phone charger, toothbrush, deodorant, my camera, my big camera, which is going in my carry-on bag. I can go ahead and put that in there, but I need to make sure she's fully charged first the day before. Just so stuff like that. Other than that, I'm packed. So yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. We got 3 days. 3 more days. So I will catch you on the next one.